Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So the dollar Swiss analysis that I've been talking about for a while, which is this is an A, this is a B, and we're currently in five ways up for a C, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C, which I think is a W, X, Y pattern. I think is playing out perfectly. Most likely, this is going to go up and take out the high of wave W, and it possibly could even try to go up and take out the high of this wave 4 back here on the daily to weekly time frame. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now, and I also wouldn't be trying to go short. This is the 4 hour time frame structure, which for me, that is the break of structure down that would turn me bearish. Otherwise, anything I see to the downside, I am definitely looking at as nothing more than possibly just a pullback within the uptrend. So especially if it makes another higher low on this 1 hour time frame and three waves down, I definitely would take it as another long opportunity, at least until the 4 hour time frame. The daily time frame tells me that it's time to become bearish, which it definitely hasn't done so yet. I personally am definitely going to continue to go long every chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.